So what does this first of its kind case involving a former U.S. president mean for America's justice system?
I think it means the rule of law is being upheld. I think it's very important to reemphasize again in the process of this indictment that Donald Trump's Fifth Amendment or due process or habeas corpus rights are being respected. And he has an opportunity to submit himself to the court and to take a plea. As you said before, it's probably going to be a not guilty plea. And from then, once he's processed, then the case will begin. The challenge here will be to see whether a judge will accept for the case to move forward or whether there'll be constitutional questions that will have to be addressed within the charges brought by Alvin Bragg, specifically whether you can use, a misdemeanor charge from the state and then raise that to the level of a felony based on the payments he made to Stormy Daniels as a federal offense. So there's a lot of moving parts here, but it's really important to see how this will move forward.
Professor, Trump has indicated he is going to be running for the 2024 presidential election. How does this case impact his bid for the White House?
I think to his, so there's two elements to that political process. So one, I think in the short term, it really increases his popularity within the base of his party. Diehard supporters of Trump will see no wrong in the man, and they will also see this case as an element of Joe Biden weaponizing the Justice Department of a biased Democratic public prosecutor going after, a Republican candidate. I think the challenge will be, should he get the nomination for the Republican ticket? And that's still a big question. But should he get that nomination and he goes up against Joe Biden, how will it feel to have a Republican candidate for president who's been indicted of major charges, including other cases which are yet to come up? So there's still a long way to go between now and November 2024. And it'll be interesting to see how this case plays into how the Republicans decide who will be their nominee for president. But even if Trump is nominated, how this will affect him then in a general election when he will have to make a plea to the whole American public, not just his key supporters in the Republican Party.